Hi and welcome back. Imagine stepping into a beautifully transformed space where every detail reflects your personal style. The key to achieving such a transformation often lies in the flooring choice. But with countless options available, selecting the right tiles can be overwhelming. Let's simplify the process and guide you towards the ideal tiles for your Kenyan home. Just like many homeowners, you might have found yourself lost in the vast array of tiles. From ceramic to porcelain, stone to wood look, each option offers unique characteristics. Understanding the key differences will help you narrow down your choices. When selecting tiles, consider the following factors. Number one, location. Different areas of your home have varying traffic levels and moisture requirements. Number two, durability. Opt for tiles that can withstand the wear and tear of daily life. Number three, aesthetics. Choose tiles that complement your home's overall style and color scheme. And finally, number four, budget. Budget. Set a realistic budget to ensure you find tiles that fit your financial constraints. Now, there are popular tiles options. Number one, ceramic tiles. Versatile and affordable, ceramic tiles are suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and other areas with moderate traffic. Number two, porcelain tiles. Known for their durability and resistance to stains, porcelain tiles are ideal for high traffic areas like kitchens and hallways. Number four, stone tiles. Offering a luxurious and natural look, stone tiles are often used in upscale spaces like bathrooms and living rooms. And finally, number four, wood look tiles. These tiles provide the warmth and aesthetic appeal of wood while offering the durability of ceramic or porcelain. Investing in high quality tiles is crucial for long lasting beauty and durability. Partnering with a reputable supplier like Such Ceramics ensures you get reliable products at competitive prices. At View Enterprises, we are committed to helping you create the home of your dreams. We connect you with top tier suppliers like Such Ceramics and provide comprehensive construction management services. From tile selection to installation, we are your one-stop solution. In conclusion, choosing the right tiles for your Kenyan home is a significant decision. By considering factors such as location, durability, aesthetics, and budget, and partnering with a reliable supplier like Such Ceramics, you can confidently create a space that is both beautiful and functional.